What is the most common writing error and how can I avoid it? The most common writing error by far is the overuse of to be verbs. Is, are, was, were, be, being, been, am. Think about it. Those verbs describe a state of existence. They don't tell you what anyone is doing. And I'm not saying you're ever going to get rid of all of them, but you should work hard to get rid of most of them. Find active, engaging verbs and make sure it's the most specific verb for whatever it is you're trying to express. For example, don't say the toddler is behind the sofa. That's just telling us position, where he is. Give us information about why he's there, what he's doing. Well, the toddler hid behind the sofa. That's better. But is he having fun playing hide and seek with his cousin, or is he fearful? The toddler cowered behind the sofa. Now we're talking.